Hi, this is Fumichika. Please call me Fumi. I'm a customer support from OpenLM Japan. I do it for OpenLM as well. Today, I would like to introduce you OpenLM Server Package for Docker. It's a kind of a new product, new release. If you go to our homepage in English and then go to the menu of knowledge base, you will see the English document. Sorry, the video is in Japanese, but you have the English document. And then as a prerequisite, you have to install Docker and then Docker Compose plugin before installing OpenM Server package for Docker. And then you can download OpenM Server package target from that URL. And then this is my private Ubuntu machine. I downloaded that package to the Docker folder in here. But then, you can do it in command as well. So if you don't have a GUI, you have to do it only with command. So you can use the car or wget, but it's written in the document, so please do not worry. And then you have to unzip the package in the command. You will see the readme and the Docker Compose files, and then install.sh and the update.sh for program, and then environmental file. Yeah, you can go to the folder from the console as well, and then you can list the document as well, like this. So I think you are better than me about Linux. So I think if you read the README file, I think you'll understand easily. And then with document, web document. And then we have a license file in here. Please ask your sales to give you the license file. And then depending on the Docker host name and the MAC address, I think Docker has own MAC address, but in my case, I use the Ubuntu machine's host name and the MAC address, and it's working. So please do not worry. And then, according to the document, we have the two options for installation, automation or manual. And then in automation, if you run the install.sh, it will run the Docker Compose MariaDB and then Docker Compose OpenM Server. So it will create the database automatically inside the container. And it will create the MariaDB container as well. And then for manual, if you want to install the external database, if you want to connect to the external database, please open up the environmental file, and then you can change the connection string to that external database. So I think for the manual installation, you only run Docker Compose for OpenM server only, not MariaDB. So I did the automated installation. So I have my own database in Maria database container in here. So from the Linux, you can dive into the Docker. From Docker, you can dive into the container. And then Maria database container, you can use the MySQL prompt to run the script, SQL script. So show databases. You can see the created database OpenLM server here. So we will do the installation according to the document, automated installation. So you do you copy the command from the website sudo dot slash install dot sh hyphen f, and then you have to specify your license file here. In my case, docker underscore test dot lick license file. So in my case, I already did the installation, so I don't want to override the database already created. So I do the update.sh instead of install.sh. So now you can access to the easy admin. So I open up the browser here and then type the Docker hostname and MAC address in here, 5015. So it's working. And then in my case, I also installed the Linux application manager, broker, and then end user service, and then agent. So all those Linux components are connected to the OpenM server. So it's showing the application manager and then unmanaged process in the admin display, and then it's working. So you can connect the all Linux component, all Linux version of OpenM server, OpenM software to the Docker OpenM server. And then lastly, how to restart the service. So it's a Docker, so we no longer have the service. Instead of service, we have to use the Docker command. So for example, Docker PS will give you the list of the container name. So you can see the container name OpenLM server. Then you can restart the container like a Docker. You can restart the you can use the Docker command to restart the container. Sudo docker restart OpenLM server. Then it's restarted. And then if you refresh the website, I think it's working. So for the next video or session, I would like to introduce how to install identity service and configure the authorization JSON file for all components in this environment, like a Linux component and then Docker OpenM server. So thank you very much. Have a good day.